release the immobilizer. This is immobilizer bypass module. Okay. Okay, put our original key inside. Okay. Pay attention, the IC is in a coil. Okay. Now I directly show how it works. This is a cable with immobilizer bypass module. Right. Okay, now I put it on ground to show the demo how it works. This 2-wire is to a PKE main unit. This is an recycle end. Okay. Look at this. This is car original ignition head. Now I start the engine. Without key, start engine. Fail. Okay. Now I use the recycle wire. Look, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is okay. Just wrap them. Everything is okay. Look, let's check whether this can start the engine. Successfully. Stop. Okay. Take out it. Start. Fail. Okay. Recycle wire. Start the engine. Successfully. Okay. Wrap it and put the immobilizer bypass module inside the pan. Everything is okay. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, this is a part 15, cardot 1100 BN installation. This part, I'll show you how to bypass the chip in the key with the ring, the RFID ring that comes original from the factory. This is the ring right here, and basically what it does when you put the ignition key, it senses the chip in the key, and when you turn it, it allows the car to turn on. So if this ring is not there, it won't turn on. And this ring comes off easy. It just has a couple clips, and you just you pull it with your finger like that. It comes off. Now, the way I'm going to show you right here is so you don't have to use an immobilizer transponder bypass where you put the key in. Basically, all you do is you put the key right here, like this, and then you tie it with the strap, so the car will turn on. If the key is not here and you press on the brake and you push the button to turn on, it won't turn on. Now, if you put the key in the RFID loop from the car, then you press the brake and you push the button and it turns on. So that's what the loop is for. It senses the chip and the key, and all you do is just you put the key in here and you get a zip tie, and you just run that in here, put the key in there, just pass it through here, and wrap it around, zip tie it, tighten it up, and that's it. That's all you do, and you cut the zip tight, and you just find out. This is where I put mine, just behind here. There. That's it. That's all you do. Thank you. Okay, this is part 6 of cardot 1100BN alarm installation. This part we're gonna take the ignition switch off. So here we go. We just pop this. There's a little clip right here, and there it comes off. Then we put the ignition key. Get close over here. Gonna put something in there to push it. And there it is. It's out. And that's it. That's all you do.